Are you the kind of person that needs proof that something works before trying it? We are excited to share some research with you. The world of somatics, including somatic educators and Somayoga therapists like Carrie and I, want to get the word out about some amazing findings from a September 2022 research paper. These findings indicate that the application of somatic education, and specifically pandiculation, results in marked reductions in low back pain, neck pain, and other very significant results. If you are new to our channel and tired of suffering with low back pain or other recurrent pain, we beg you to stop stretching and to start pandiculating. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, where you will learn powerful alternatives to take back control of your sore back muscles, release energy blocks and pain, and get back to doing what you love. Research now shows that stretching has little benefit to us. Yet why is it that we're always told to stretch? Stretching does not increase mobility, nor does it prevent injuries. Stretching does not warm up our muscles, do much for rehab, or enhance performance. We strongly encourage you to head to Paul Ingram's website, www.painscience.com, and read a fantastic summary of all that stretching isn't. You can find the link below this video. What we invite you to do is to start to follow the trendsetters on board with exploring, applying, and mastering pandiculation as a tool to correct low back pain and just about any habituated muscle and reflex pattern that show up in your body. Pandiculate over stretching is what we say. So let's review the research findings. The journal article titled Effective Somatic Education on Low Back and Neck Pain Levels was published by authors Wang-Ki Zhu and Babji Amani. They evaluated the clinical effects of HSE, or Somatic Education, on low back and neck pain and determined differences in pain, use of medication, and the number of doctor visits before and after 6 months of Somatic Education, or HSE. The study taught patients how to regain awareness of sensation and cortical brain control of muscles and movements impeded by sensory motor amnesia. Remember from a previous video that sensory motor amnesia is where the brain has lost voluntary control over muscles and movement patterns. It is a major cause of chronic muscle pain and many commonly diagnosed medical symptoms. In the study, patients were taught sensory and motor training using the technique that we love so much called pandiculation. The results show that after an average of only 2.8 clinical sessions of HSE, the patients reported a significant reduction in chronic spinal pain. In the 6 months before and after the experiment with Somatic Education, the number of patients using pain medication decreased from 53.5% to 13.6%. And the mean number of doctor visits reduced significantly from 2 to 0.5. We are Resolve Pain Guru because we want to teach you these powerful tools to heal yourself. We want you to take back your power in self-healing, and we want you to understand that the body can heal when it's given the right tools. Pandiculation is just one of them. At Resolve Pain Guru, Somatic Education and somatic neuromuscular re-education is a fundamental pillar of the method that we teach to support you to get out of pain. We want you to come back home to yourself and experience more ease, peace, and joy in your life. We combine Thomas Hanna's clinical somatic education with nervous system support practices, yoga therapy, and breathing practices, all to grow your understanding of how your brain, your muscles, and your nervous system work together and must be addressed as a system. We teach about the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit, and how we must address all of these to heal. For those of you that need evidence before you try something new, well, there you have it. Start exploring the videos under the category Somatic Movement and Breathing Practices, and start learning about the interconnectedness of mind, emotions, and life, and how all that shows up in 3 major reflexes in your body. Start learning pandiculation and take back control of your health and your healing. If you suffer from chronic or persistent pain, unexplained pain, or just want ways to learn how to make yourself feel better, move better, sleep better, then keep learning with us. If you like this video, click like below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.